Hi guys! Healthy day everyone! It's me once again, MJ, and welcome back to my channel. So today is another episode about health and beauty because last week I was able to upload on how you're going to massage your face for anti-aging massage, and now I'm going to teach you another way on how we're going to make our skin look young and beautiful. So today I'm going to share with you this roller jade, and I know that you're already familiar with this, but I am not that sure if you know how to do it technically. So I am here to share with you on how you're going to use this and how are you going to apply this on your face and how are you going to hold it and the techniques on how you're going to make it so simple and gentle to your face. So please don't forget to subscribe our channel and punch that little bell, okay?
Okay guys, so now we're going to start and I'm going to teach you how we're going to use this beauty roller jade technically. So in this video, I will emphasize to you the step-by-step guide on how you're going to use it on your face. We're going to start here at the bottom, starting on our neck. This is what you call the lymphatic drainage area. Then to your jawlines, you need to start it at the center, going up and draining it down. From there, don't forget this area because these are the crucial part. Then the cheekbones that you need to lift up. And of course, the soggy eye bags and puffy face to make you look younger and beautiful. And of course, this area, your forehead. And of course, don't forget to drain it down. Okay, so now we're going to use this and we're ready to rumble. So we have these three parts, the smaller one, the handle, and the large one. But first, we need to use this olive oil, which I really love the most. I just love to use this. But make sure that you're just going to use this once a week. But the roller jade, it should be regularly and routinely daily. So you're just going to apply this on your face. So first, you're going to massage your hands and apply some on your face. You just need to pat it. Okay, I think this is ready. Just do a little massage. And of course, the motion will always be going up. And please use your third and fourth finger. Okay, I think I'm ready now. Okay, so first we're going to use this big one. So we're now going to do this lymphatic drainage from top to bottom. You can do this 10 times per side. Roll it up, then going down. Also 10 times on the other side. Or you can do it the upward motion for the lifting effect. That's it. Again, let me remind you that you can do this regularly but using the olive oil base should only be for once a week. And now we're going to focus on our jawlines. From the center, lift it up. So anyway, did you know that jade was originated mostly in China, Russia, and US? And actually it was popular during ancient times, and over the years it was used more by women. So why jade? Why this kind of stone? Because jade carries nourishing energy that can be very healing. So jade means purity, gentleness, and love. So now we're going to do it in the middle of our lips, our cheekbone, and going up. So make sure that you're just going to apply the right amount of pressure on your face. So actually many believe that jade brings balance, harmony, protection, and of course good luck. Some may use it as a jewelry, as this create to attract more friends and of course to give you much wealth. So from here you need to drain it down, going upward, then roll it down. This stimulates the circulation. Therefore, it cleanses away all the toxins and of course makes the muscles more relaxed. And of course, this encourages lymphatic drainage. These are actually the benefits of roller jade. Some may just know it or seen it or maybe have it, but how to use it? So this is the proper way on how we're going to use this roller jade. And this one is practically the area which we need also to take care of. These are the usual or the natural emotions, marks that when we laugh, when we frown, it really shows in our face. If you're going to religiously do this every day, of course, there's really a big difference. Now pay attention on these dark circles of your face because these are the areas that are very gentle and soft. You can just use the smaller one and use this motion. Or you can just roll it to the side. Roll it to the side towards your temple. There. But make sure to apply a gentle pressure. Like for me, this is my weakest part, so I need to focus on this. Now we're going to use a larger part. Simply close your eyes, roll it to your temple, as gentle as possible. Okay, there's this tender and cooling sensation. But it's also advised that you're going to refrigerate this jade stone before you're going to use it. Or you can dip it with cold water before using it. There, and now apply it on the other side. Actually, the origins of the Jade Beauty Roller was reflected in Chinese history. This beautiful tool were once used by the elite to keep their skin beautiful and women ageless. So why not? Let's try this, of course. Okay, from this, going down. Slide it sideward to the temple, then drain it down. That's it. And now this portion here. So same, we're going to lift it up, or you can roll it. But for me, I prefer to do it from downward going up because we wanted the lifting effect. Okay, so actually you can do this whenever you're watching your favorite movie on Netflix, right? Or while sitting down, having your favorite time. And now let me share you the best techniques on how we're going to use this. This is what you call the motion. We're not going to do this using this instead of this one. Your movement comes from your wrist, not from the whole portion of your body. Because if you could imagine how much muscles are you going to use when you're going to push it. So just simply moving it from your wrist that way, because that gives you less pressure and very gentle, rather than you're going to use your biceps and triceps. So that will definitely give you a very forceful effect. But when you're just going to glide it, so there's really a big difference on that. Like this. So maybe it takes time for you to develop these skills, but at least you try.
Now you have already seen how I did and use this Jade Roller, and I hope that you're going to apply this and share this to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and punch that little bell. Thank you and hope to see you next week, and thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you soon. Bye!